Okay, so here we have 40 millimeters equals how many centimeters? And so I'm comparing centimeters and millimeters. So I'm going to set up my proportion. In 1 centimeter, there is 10 millimeters. And I want to know, if I have 40 millimeters, how many centimeters do I have? And so I want to look at my relationship. What is my relationship between 10 and 40? How can 10 become 40? And because we're going from a smaller number to a bigger number, we know it's multiplication. And so I know 10 times 4 equals 40. And whatever I do on top, I have to do on the bottom. And so 1 times 4 would be 4. So the answer would be 4 centimeters.